How to send a message in Zangi. Sending a quick message in Zangi is super straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First thing, you need to open the Zangi app on your phone or the computer. Here I am going to use a phone, so let's open it. Once you inside the phone, look for the person you want to chat with. You can usually find them in your contact list, or maybe they are already on your recent chat. So I don't have a person in my current chat, so I'll be going to the contact list. You can see a contact icon just between the setting and the phone. It's right over here. Tap on it and you can see my friend name right over here. Tap on it and that will open up their personal information. Here you can see their name and a few options, their number and everything. Now what you have to do in order to initiate a chat is simply tap on this chat icon, which is the third option. Tap on it. That will take you to the chat section. Now tap whatever you want to say. Go ahead and write the message. For example, I just want to say hi. Tap hi, and when you are finished typing, simply tap on send button, which is this arrow right over here. Tap on it. And that's it. Your message is sent. Easy, right? Did you try sending a message just now? How did it go? Let me know if you have any question about it. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.